Is Camilia Teething Drops really the gentle, natural solution every parent's raving about, or just another overpriced bottle of hope wrapped in clever marketing? In this video, we're diving deep into whether Boiron's popular, homeopathic remedy actually delivers on its promises or leaves parents feeling misled. Boiron, a French company with over 90 years of experience in homeopathic medicines, has built a strong reputation, and Camilia is one of their most talked about products for teething babies. Marketed as a safe alternative to traditional teething gels, Camilia stands out for what it doesn't contain: no benzocaine, no sugar, no preservatives, which is reassuring for parents concerned about harsh chemicals. The packaging is also parent-friendly, with single-dose sterile vials that are easy to open, spill-proof, and simple to administer even with a fussy baby. But the big question is, does it actually work? Real feedback from parents and grandparents is divided. Some noticed a calming effect and reported less fussiness within minutes, praising it as a lifesaver during tough teething nights. Others, however, felt no real change, saying it was like giving their baby flavored water, especially considering that homeopathic formulas are highly diluted. We also looked into the ingredient list: homeopathic chamomile, plant-based extracts, and other natural compounds, and while they're safe, the effectiveness is still a subject of debate among both medical professionals and experienced parents. Price is another factor. Camilia isn't the cheapest option on the shelf, and for something that doesn't always deliver consistent results, that's worth thinking about. This review isn't about hyping the product up or tearing it down, it's about giving you the complete, unbiased truth. If you're a new parent exploring gentle, natural options to ease your baby's teething discomfort, this honest take on Camilia will help you make a more informed choice without falling for the hype.